Welcome back to your juicy advent calendar.
Our mission is to find world peace through intimacy.
My name is Shaft Uddin.
And my name is Ronya.
And today we have exercise
Number 7.
This is all about touch. We begin with grounding earth touches, firm and strong. Then we use some oil to create a watery, flowing touch. And to mix it up, you could bring some fire into this by some scratches or some mini spanking. And then cooling the sensations with a light air touch, the 4 elemental touch. Thank you so much for watching, and don't miss tomorrow's episode.
Subscribe, follow, and check out the links below.
The biggest gift you could give each other
Is your presence.